Just leaving the T-dock area now. I'm going to take a little ride further into the park. I know there's some other areas to fish for wading mostly. Well, let's take a look down there. If you have a camper, this is a great place to camp. You just check their website for all the camping regulations and the fees. But be able to spend a nice weekend down here for a week if you like. Then you can fish all night, sleep all day. Used to do that. Now, there's no pull-off parking on this area, so if you wanted to come down and fish these rocks on this side, you do need to park in the back parking lot. Once again, speed limit is slow. I'm going to be coming to a couple of outside buildings, pavilions. Boat launch ramp is, you can just see a gentleman out there right now. He's either pulling in or going out. Once again, we have fishing access here, especially if you're going to wade out a little bit and do some fishing. Let's circle around and I'll show you what the all this area, all this beachfront area, you could wade and fish it. Out there waiting. He's on that outer sandbar. This area used to be off limits, but apparently they've reconditioned it, and now it is fishable. Look at this good current out here. I'm going to park the car, walk around a little bit, and once again I will not film and speak with other people while I'm speaking with other people because of state law. I know, it's crazy, but what's the sense? This is actually the first time I've come down here because it was off limits. And this is at the very far tip of the park, far tip inland that is. Looks like a pretty nice place to fish. Not much current running here, not like the actual inlet itself. There's a fly fisherman and a bait fisherman. Two don't necessarily go together, do they? Alright, I'm going to turn it off now. This is really a fishy spot down here. Really looks good. Looks like the back of a Long Island bay. Freaking beautiful. It's got to be fish. Got to be action here. Gonna give this a few shots. It's Good thing I came back here just exploring, because this is a beautiful place to fish and it's wide open. I'd like to keep it a secret, but I don't know, I just can't do that. Good looking place. Really good looking. Get up in there, check it out. Oh, we gotta go to the boat ramp. Okay. Boy, it's nice back here. I think I'm gonna make this my second home. Alright, coming up to the boat ramp, which is down the road here a little bit. Let me go around this way. Sanitary facilities. That's what's really nice about this park. I'm approaching the boat ramp here. Take a little walk out here, see if there's any bait around. Three ramps here.
What's that thing on your cap?
This is a...
Is that a GoPro?
Let's see if there's any bait around here. Little sand bar out there. No bait apparent, but I bet you there's pinfish down here. There's a gentleman coming down with a white bucket, so he's going to be throwing a net. It is beautiful down here. There's a couple of areas you can launch your canoes from, canoes and kayaks. One just on the other side of this bream, or all these woods, there's an area, an access area. But it's a nice place. Glad I renewed my permit. Boom. Just saw something down there. Those two gentlemen are fishing for pinfish. And I'm sure they'll catch a bunch and they'll run out to the inlet, to the jetties out there. #1 bait.